Check lock number on iPhone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide I'll show you how can you check the lock number on iPhone. There are a couple of different ways to actually check the block contacts or block list on iPhone, so you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. You want to open up your settings. As you open it up, then you want to scroll down and go and look for the phone options. As you do it, so you want to go ahead and scroll down once again, and you'll be able to find block contacts. As you click that, on the end of fields, you'll be able to find the number or list of contact that you've blocked. If you want to unblock it, you just want to simply swipe towards your right hand side by holding on to the particular contact list, and then you could just see the unblock option and you should be able to unblock them. Similarly, the other way to do it so is by going to the settings, or you could just go to the FaceTime from the home page. Once you've actually gone to this section, then you want to go ahead and click on block contact. In procedure, that is, you could go ahead and hold on to the particular contact list and then swipe towards your left hand side, and you'll be able to find the unblock option. So that's how you could check your block list on iPhone. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.